Welcome to Jack Tar's Journeys, where we make, do and mend. Tonight I'm going to be setting some kitchen cabinet doors on, and to do them I'm going to be using a jig. So we're going to change our kitchen doors, kitchen cabinet doors in our kitchen. It was built, it's low, and it's designed for that, for people with disability needs and that. It's ancient, so I've ordered new ones, and we're going to just fit the cabinets are okay, it's just the doors. The worktop, the original worktop, was white, and we've just stuck this one on top. It's just something I had kicking around. So what I am going to do, I need to put a cornice or a pelmet down here. I've ordered the doors so that they're slightly longer. They're going to be 18mm longer than these. And what I'm going to do is, I'll put this on here, you'll be able to get a better idea. So I've ripped down some melamine, and I've got some edging strip coming. I'm going to edge here, here and up here, and that there will fix that way underneath here, so when the doors come down, the doors will actually close against that, and it'll all look flush along the front there. That way I can hide my lights, because I'm going to put some lights underneath the back of it as well. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to screw these together now, and cut the lengths of it so they're ready. The doors don't come till tomorrow. I'm just getting the stuff ready now. I've took off the plinths all the way around. I had to cut the units back as well, because it had a little lip on, so down here I had to cut that back. Is what they actually had on the bottom with them. So it's just a piece of rolled MDF, and that sat underneath there like that to finish it off. Now I've actually got the doors made longer, so it comes down to there, and the upstand now I can have, or the kicker board, I can have that as 150. The other one was about 120 something, 110. It just looked odd. So also going to put a door in here. I've ordered a door for that because there was no door there, and another door for that, and we'll put a base down in there, maybe a shelf in there. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to crack on with now. Tonight I'm going to be setting some kitchen cabinet doors on, and to do them I'm going to be using a jig. Now the jig is a Chinese one, new, cost me a tenner, and it comes with everything you need. It's very simple. It's a plastic jig. It's got some locating lugs on the bottom and a locating pin for the side edge. You can either have it 3-inch, 4-inch, and then you can set this from 1 to 5mm from the edge of your door in, depending on what your preference is or what you need to do. It comes with a bit and a holder, and this is a stop, so as you drill in it won't go any further, so it doesn't come through the face of the door, it only sinks it to the correct depth. Right, let's get on, we'll put it on and I'll show you how we do it. So I've got 2 clamps on it. I've set the edge and I've set the 2 door edges, so this is the jamb, if you like. This is where the hinges are going to go. That's the bottom of the door, the top's up here. Literally then, it's just a case of setting your drill bit into your drill, and then rotate the plastic collar that's on it, set them into the grooves on the jig. Make sure you've got your jig nice and tight, and you're happy that all the pegs are touching your door and you're on the right side of your door. The other thing I've done underneath the door, so to stop it getting damaged, I've got a piece of ply, and obviously I've got an old towel there, and all I've done is clamp the ply underneath the towel so I don't damage the face of the door when I'm doing it. Right, let's give this a drill. Right. And you just undo the plastic lug. And what I will do, I'll just hoover that. As it's MDF, I've got a mask. I didn't put it on then, that was just so that you could hear me, but I will put it on for the rest of them. Once you've done that, it's got two other holes in there. And these are for your hinges. So you've got two holes on your hinge. Now I know on the with the ones I've already done, I know where they are. It's the top ones set on here. So I already know. But check it when you're doing your own. It comes with a drill bit. What I would say is don't go in too far with this if you want to come through the door. And that's just to locate your hinge screws. Right. Take it out. And there you go. Simple. It's the easiest way of doing them. I've got a bit, and usually I just measure it and away I go, but seeing as though I've got the jig, I thought I'd just as well use it. That's all there is to it. I'll show you the doors once I get them all on. And there we are, little change of doors in that. Obviously I've done the cornice or the pelmet as I said I would. Doors all back on, new different handles and a couple of extra ones. Door there and door there, which we turn both of them into a unit, but yeah, happy with that. Simple, done.